Dad jokes to cycle out.
Facebook Live right now.
Come on.
She said that's what you get from telling me I ride the short tractor across the pasture.
Maybe you do.
I drive it. I don't ride it, I drive it.
Oh, she's like, huh? What is that?
Oh, come here, little pudding. Come here, little one. Get down there. Come on. The milk factory's right here at Truckman. When you find it, you're gonna love it. Come on. Now she walks off. Kate, you got your IQ of about 12 there.
Did you hear that, sweet
Maybe.
cake?
She's not batting on all her hay cylinders.
Will you make sure her other teat's unplugged while you're in there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You can't come on here. That is your mama. I'm not.
No, God. It's nice and toasty in here.
Go over there with Grandpa Jason.
And her IQ just dropped another 20 points. You remember that time Brooklyn dropped you on your head?
She's not gonna be able to remember it in a minute.
Just like I can't recall.
She's gonna have PTSD from this night.
Turn around, sweet girl. Go eat.